Second one is recognition of delimiters. Okay, so how we will what is delimiter actually? Delimiter may be blank space, tab space or new line character. Delimiter may be blank space, tab space, new line character. Okay, so what is the representation of delimiter then? So the representation may be delimiter star. Okay, delimiter star means 0 or more occurrences. Then try to draw the transition diagram for this. Means 0, then with the delimiter it will move to the next state. Okay, again self loop, delimiter. Okay, so delimiter star, initial state, then the final state, delimiter, self loop, delimiter star. Okay, and coming to the next one, recognition of relational operator. Recognition of relational operator. For the relational operator, what will consider? Greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, double equals to, not equals to. Okay, these all are the relational operator. Now you draw the transition diagram for this relational operator. So initially you will start with 0. Okay, what is the first symbol? First you consider greater than or equals to. So first it will move to the 1, greater than or equals to. Next stage, equal to, it will move to the second. So this is only the final. And the next one, consider the greater than or equals to. If it is greater and other than the equal, so from here greater than and other than equal, so it will go to the third, that is the final step. What you can write here? Relational operator greater than, here relational operator greater than or equals to. Okay, next, what is the next one? You consider as a less than or equals to. Less than, 1 2 3 finish. Now take 4, next 5, equals to, less than or equals to. What you can write? Relational operator less than or equals to. And if it is less than, other than, equal to, less than, other than, equal to, so it will move to the sixth phase, that is relational operator less than. Okay, and more, equal to. Okay, so till here 6 is finished. 7, equal to, double equals to. So what is this one? Relational operator equal to, EQ you will represent. And next one is not equal to. Then 7 8 is over. Now we'll write the 9, not equals to. 10, this is the final state. So what we can write as relational operator not equals to. Clear everyone? See, first initial state, you write the what are the relational operator. You already know, greater than or equals to, less than or equal to, double equal means equals to, not equal to. Okay, so take first 0, then first take greater than or equals to. If it is greater than or equals to, it will move to the second state. If it is greater than, other than, equal to, it will move to the third state. And coming to the next one, less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means it will move to the 0 4 5. If it is less than, other than the equal to, less than, other than, equal to, it will move to the sixth state, 0 4 6. Okay, if it is equal to, then 0 7 8. If it is not equal to, 0 9 10. Thank you.